Just do it in my room.
Come here, give me a hug before you take a nap.
Wait, I can't, sweetie, because this thing won't go that far. I got it plugged up.
Is that name light bulb? Is it? Really?
Well, sure, dance for me on the camera, for the camera. Can you dance? Need some music, don't we? Can you play your drum? Show me how you play your drum. Oh, I forgot. Is she asleep? Maybe no. Let's play it.
Don't play your drum.
Let's don't play it right now. Let's Here, let's do something. You gonna dance for me?
Let's get him ready for nap.
Get you some books.
Which?
Hey, Miss Ada. I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna get her. Yes, I am. I'm gonna get her. And get that fat belly. I'm gonna get that fat belly. Here it comes. Get her, Yes, sweetie pie. Where's old brother? There he is. There's brother. I got Micah right there in the up close.
He watching old SpongeBob. He's SpongeBob Jr.
Hey, Miss Ada. What you doing, girl? Are you spitting up? Are you spitting up all that old spook?
One chance they left some milk for her.
Huh?
Chance that they left some milk for her.
I know you're gonna get some milk.
Oh.
Hey, Ada. What you doing, girl? What you doing? Huh? What you doing? You like your swing? Do you like that swing? Yes, you do, don't you, darling? Yes, you do. Yes, tell me about it. Tell me more about it. Tell me all about it. Yeah, blow some bubbles. Blow some bubbles. You gonna pull your sock off, huh? I know it. Oh. Y'all want to watch it in here, Chet Howard? So you want to watch it in here?
I can go and watch it. I've got to go back.
Hey, SpongeBob!
Yes, I am.
Hey, Ada.
I need your opinion on something. Do you think the giant flat screen TV should go over the fancy end
Hey, sweetie. What are you chewing on, those thumbs? And those fingers good? Are those fingers good?
Oh.
Hey, Micah. Micah.
back, back. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Perfect. Your front yard.
His Royal Highness is busy on the Ferris wheel.
Ferris wheel!
What's he doing, girl?
No, it's not great, it's horrible! Oh, does it? Stop, people, I'm itching. Alright, he's gonna talk. Let's do her pants back up. You got them, sweetie?
Can you make her laugh, Micah?
Yeah.
Huh?
I wanna hold her. See?
Alright, come here and sit in between my legs. Hold on.
No, listen.
Alright.
Oh, that's a baby sister.
Hold her head.
Be gentle with her. She likes you.
She loves you, Mike.
Ah.
No.
Don't squeeze her
Now
head.
be gentle with her.
Ooh, are you done?
Yeah. Take a picture of just me.
Just you. I
Micah, show her how
see
you
you.
can dance.
I want to see you dance. Ooh, let's see you dance. We need some music, don't we?
Picture of the music.
I don't know where your music is, man.
Maybe you can play some on your flute.
Yeah, play the
Can you play the...
bowling song.
You full of energy today, aren't you?
Okay, show her how you can do a push-up. Show her your push-up.
You do a push-up? Huh?
Your
Do
hands
you, do you? Exercises? Huh?
I want to watch
So
a
you better...
movie.
Yeah. What, sweetie?
I like your eggies.
Stuff for spaghetti. Today we brought some of our sausage.
Open. Yep, that's right. Just slides back and forth on it. Yep. You look so cute. You just look so handsome. What's that on your shirt?
I'm the girl.
A digger.
I got you.
You know, sing and dance. You sing. You can dance, can't you? You can dance and sing.
It's right there.
Can you dance? What you looking for? Hey, Miss Zeta, you gonna smile for me? Huh? Turn around, Daddy. Hey. Hey, darling. Hey, darling. What's he doing? What's he doing? Did you just get through eating? Huh? Did you get through eating? Did you get through eating, huh? Hey, sweet. I go kiss you. I go kiss you. Yes, I am. I go get you. You better not smile. You better not smile. No, you better not. I gonna get you. Here I come. It's not gonna smile.
You'll be able to see better over here.
Boy, you can do it good.
It's hot right now.
It's kind of dark. You need to turn that light off up there.
I can turn the inside
Can you turn it off?
Go
Can-
turn the porch light.
Yeah, go turn it off, sweetie.
What porch?
That light on the inside there.
Just inside the door.
Is it on?
No, it's not on anymore.
You turned it off.
Can you turn the wheels? Can you turn them?
That way and
Yeah, you turn them to go straight or don't have to go in a circle. Oh, be careful.
It's okay.
It's okay. You're tough, aren't you?
I did it for yes, the steward for.
Just the scooter fell. Watch out for this.
I was gonna.
Huh?
Can I see the movie?
I don't think it's very easy to see it, Micah.
Just sit. We'll watch.
I like to move fast.
Where's your mail car? You got your mail car? Where's your garbage truck, Micah?
Fun.
Where's your garbage truck?
It's inside.
Button, I miss it back, don't it? Well, it's fine. I think it's hard to do, but hey, Miss Ada. Ada. Hey, darling.
And me too.
Hey,
Me too.
you better quit that laughing. You better quit that laughing. Yes, you better. You better quit that laughing. Yes, you better. Yes, you better.
There, you got your race car.
Psst, 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 psst. Ada.
No, I'm right here.
Okay.
And me too. No, me too. No,
I got you right here.
No, this is it.
Huh?
And me on the street.
You on the scooter, okay. Get on the scooter.
Hey. Hey.
Hey, Ada.
Who's Ada's favorite guy, Micah?
Me.
That's right. Her big brother. You're a big brother, aren't you?
Who's her favorite big guy?
You.
Who's her favorite little guy?
Me.
Who's her favorite girl?
Mama.
Who's her favorite dog?
Joey. Who's her favorite mail truck?
Miss Penny's truck?
Who's Miss Manga's truck?
Who's who?
Manga's truck.
I don't know that person. Is that at your other house?
Yeah.
Is that your mail lady at your other house?
Manga.
Mama told me that your other mama gave you cookies for breakfast. Is that true? She must be pretty nice, huh? Your other mother. Is she nice?
What's your other mother's name?
Malika.
Malika?
Mega.
Mega?
Is she pretty as mama? Huh?
I'm gonna go fast. I'm gonna stop right here. There goes.
There's one big black ants. Kill it, Chad. It goes across it. Where'd he go? Mm-hmm.
They don't hurt you, they don't bite.
Yes, they do.
Let me walk.
No, Micah.
Goodbye, baby, in the tree top when the wind blows. We will walk.
Brother rocking. Is brother rocking you? Huh? Is he rocking you,
Well, the
darling?
rocket ship is all up now. Alright, you can sit in my lap.
I don't want to sit. Wait a minute. No, I don't want to sit right there. I want to sit on the whole seat.
You can sit in my lap if you
No,
want.
not on the back. No, on the
You gonna
side.
drive the airplane? Is that what you want to do?
Yeah.
Drive the airplane?
It's a rocket ship.
It's a rocket ship.
No, I want to sit right there. I want to sit on the other side.
Come over here and sit. I'll get up. You can sit here on this side. It's got a.
And you're gonna come up.
Well, crank it up. How do you crank it up?
1, 2, 3, 4. Blast off.
Blast off.
Now you drive.
Who, I'm driving?
Now here's a steering wheel on the
I have one
side.
over here too. Where are we going?
The Rocket Blanca.
Rocket Bronco, what's that?
If our rocket.
Like a rocket parking lot?
Where's the park at there?
Alright, let's park.
Park.
You can get off. What do you see?
I see animals.
What kind of animals?
Little rockets. I see those animals.
What do those look like?
They look like everything in the whole wide world.
Really? Do they have...
You got off the rocket? Did you land?
Off the rocket.
Did you land it on the ground?
Yeah.
You had to.
Don't walk.
Hey, Micah. Hey, Micah.
Chad and Mike.
Yeah, pick it up. Come in. There you go. Now, it's hard to go in the grass, in the gravel. You can do it on the concrete. You can do it on your sidewalk at home, can't you?
But you don't have one.
We have a sidewalk, Micah.
Woof, 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 woof. And woof, woof.
He said, woof, woof back at you, didn't he?
Woof.
Micah, get it off of here.
She like.
Get it off of her.
Does she like?
Micah. Get it back on. I'm taking
Whee!
it.
We're doing the space.
Get back on the rocket ship. You're not on the seat where the controls are. Where's Kaza?
1,
She's taking
2, 3, 4. Press on. I'm the pilot. We're
You're the,
both the pilot.
you're the pilot. Well, Daddy's a co-pilot.
The people behind me.
You're the pilot and Daddy's a co-pilot. So you have a pilot and a co-pilot.
Daddy's the pilot. I'm the pilot.
You the co-pilot. What's Ada?
She's the thing.
She could be the airline stewardess.
The lady that comes around and gives drinks and stuff.
Uh-huh.
That lady? The flight attendant?
Flight attendant. What are you talking about? Huh? What are you talking about? Goodness gracious. Yes, run that motor.
Okay. What? Jill, what guy? What?
You need some garbage to put in your garbage truck? Huh?
Go away. Go. Lay down. Lay. Go. Lay.
Man.
Alright, buddy. It's time to go inside. Well, it's time to go inside.
Where are you, Micah? Let me see you swim.
13 minutes running.
I just went to the side.
I know you can.
Look, I like to swim back.
Yeah, let me see you swim. Back and forward, back and forward.
Is that a looking glass?
Uh-huh, it's a looking glass.
Guys, I talked to my mom.
Oh, did you? How's you doing?
She's all right.
Why the
You gotta
looking
start
glass? For
Wasn't she coming down this month in September sometime?
Yeah.
She's planning on.
September
20th.
23rd, 20th?
20.
That's what week after next, I guess.
can I see?
What's today's date?
Ooh.
Today's the 8th. I mean the 7th. Tomorrow's the 8th.
It's a new month.
Been a month for a while.
I mean, since we got here. I realize we
The hurricane hit on the 1st.
Is that right? We got here on what, the 30th?
What you doing, Micah?
What's Pat doing?
He went in the house. He'll be out in a minute, he
What's
said.
he mean?
Look at the butterfly, Micah. It's on the other
I
side.
think he went to the bathroom.
Yellow butterfly.
Is that a butterfly? Oh, look at the pretty butterfly.
See if we can
Lilo.
right there.
You don't usually see butterflies this late in the fall or late in the summer, I don't think.
I forgot to tell Sammy that you got a tooth.
Oh, yeah, well, I told Julia. Well, she exclaimed.
Please.
I want you to take a picture.
Well, I don't have any more on my
Maybe we
camera.
could just decide
To get one.
to get one.
Get one.
I like that one that we saw at the cleaners.
Yeah.
Although I'm not sure how robust
I'm
it
not
is.
sure it's as nice as last one.
We'll be taking more vacation.
No, you don't need it.
You hear me?
I heard it.
We'll be gone for a week.
Yeah.
That's all right.
That's
Will you
all
take
right.
Ashton with us? We take her all over.
He says that you're going to take him to Disney World.
Yeah, we
Well,
will.
sure do
Planning
it.
on it. That don't happen.
You should wait till Ada gets older though, so they can all go.
Yeah, well, that'd be good. It'd really probably be more
Make
fun
one trip out of it.
for all of us to go together.
About 6 or 7 years from now. When they're older, they'll be.
I don't know, 6, 7 years from now, I probably won't be able to
Might
even
not be able to go to Disney World.
have to have a.
He probably enjoyed it when he was about 7 or 8 years old. About 4 years from now.
Mississippi.
What, baby?
He's a little young right now, Carrie. He
Is
wouldn't
this
enjoy it.
Mississippi? Yeah, this is Mississippi.
No, Disney's in Florida.
Oh, Disney World. Yeah, no,
It's
it's
a
in,
long drive, buddy.
it's in Florida.
Maybe it'll be one in Mississippi by the time you get old enough to go.
But you would
Saves
like it. You
miles.
could just take some books and you could read books all the way down.
I can read a lot of books.
A lot of books.
Like, yeah.
Like what? You could read that
You can
book.
read those French books.
We might even just fly down there, Micah.
No,
That'd be quicker, wouldn't it?
It's expensive to fly though.
I think we'll drive down. We ain't never been to Miami. At least I
It's
ain't.
not in Miami,
Where's it at? Orlando?
It's
Orlando.
almost
I ain't
Miami,
never
though,
been
isn't it,
there.
sweetie?
It's about in the middle.
No,
of the
middle of the state. Yeah, Miami's at the
drive
bottom of the state,
We'll go.
tip end of the state. It's probably not that far.
I never have been past Fort Walton in Florida.
It's probably not no farther driving from here to Orlando than it is from here to Missouri, is it?
No, about 500 miles.
Yeah.
We went on a bus.
Going to Dallas. We went to
24 hours
Dallas
to
in
get
one
there.
day.
No, it did not.
I think it did.
No.
It may have on the bus.
It'd take you
yeah.
24 hours.
It took us about 27 hours from Missouri.
Oh, from Missouri to where?
Orlando.
Yeah, but Chad
Yeah,
went
well,
from. What you doing, Zeke boy? Micah, this is for you. I was gonna show you this is the tree cutter, cutting all the trees out behind our house. Just a minute and I'm gonna show you a close-up of him. See how he cuts the tree? Look at him. Wait, I lost him. Let's see where I'm finding him. There he is. He's cutting it down. And then the skidder's coming back over here in a minute and pull them out. He'll grab a hold of them and cut them down and just lay them on the ground. He got a big old claw on the front of it. There he comes. There's two of them, Micah. See, he got a big hook on the back of his... That's a good shot. See the big bulldozer? He's going to push them all up in the pile, and then the other guy's going to grab them with his big hook and drag them out. Here he comes. Look at him. He got that big hook around him. See there? Look how he grabs a hold of it with that hook. Here he comes. See, the other guy, he's pushing him up with a bulldozer. Where is he? I've lost him. Oh, he's way over there. I wish I could get over there where that cutter is.